Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're looking at Forest Fundamentals Fire Starter. This is a nice ferro rod, well made, and we're going to have a look at it right now. So again, Forest Fundamentals, great packaging, do like that. Yeah. So you get a nice piece of fatwood stick, handmade ferro rod handle, and this one here is a 10mm ferro rod. I'll put all the specs on the screen. They also give you a nice size scraper, not the normal kind of scraper you get, but this one has a nice edge there, bottle opener and a couple of hex things there, and also has a really sharp edge on it. So that's how that looks. So the fatwood smells lovely, and also have a little hook there, which you do get quite a few items out of this. For the price was £15. So let me just tie a knot in this again. In the cord, it looks like there is a fire starter cord in there. But let's have a look on the fatwood first. We'll see if it scrapes. Ooh yeah, jeez, very sharp edge there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape a bit on here, and then we'll you can see the nice resin there in the fire thing. So let me just get a little pile going here. It's nice small pile. Let's just see how the sparks fly from this ferro rod now. Ooh. Ah, that's really good actually. Good sparks. First time using it. See there? So I don't know what to expect. Very good purchase on the handle. Very nice. Nice little automatically grab that ridge there. So that's nice. Wow, that's a pretty good. Ooh, that's nice. They bounce, so that's a good, look at that. Alright, let's get some bigger tinder here, we'll get some play. Well, I'm just going to use my knife from Hosman's Gorilla. Very sharp knife still using this. Nice bad boy there. Just going to fluff up some tinder from Forest Fundamentals again. This is their, what do they call it? Stealth, that's it. Stealth fire starter. So we'll just put some there. That's probably too much, but look at that. They do make some good stuff there. This throwing some good globs of sparks. Let's do the old distance test on this. I have a feeling it's gonna go well. Right, so put the fluff here. Good distance away. Say large size hands, palm away. Look at that. This is throwing some really impressive sparks. Very nice. Right, let's have a bit more of a play with the fatwood. Yeah, so I think this is a great combination. I mean, you got a very good ferro rod there that's throwing loads of sparks. You got very nice piece of fatwood, very sharp striker, and you got a little clip here to put onto your bag if you wanted to, or however you want to wear these. But £15, I do like it. Works well. I mean, you can see it even at this distance shots. It's doing well. I mean, that's quite a way. So if you do like the ferro rods that bounce a bit, definitely one for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. In the description box below, I'll put a code where you get 10% off these if you're interested in that. So I'll give you guys a little discount as well. But again, great set. Forest Fundamentals. Check them out. All the links again I'll provide, and any pictures I can I'll just put up on the screen. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.